Hello students, today we will learn about negotiation of a bill. Now what does the word negotiation means in case of bills of exchange? It means simply transferring the bill from one person to another person on or before the maturity of the bill. That means before the due date if we are transferring the bill to a third person apart from the drawer and drawee. If there is an involvement of a third person in this process, then that is known as negotiation of a bill. That means transferring the bill to a specific person. Now this negotiation of bill can take place in two ways. First is negotiation by delivery, which means that simply we are transferring the bill to a person, and in this case the bill doesn't require the signature of the person who's transferring it or the transferer. Okay, and the second method is negotiation by endorsement or endorsement of a bill. So endorsement of a bill means when the bill is signed and then transferred to the other person or the endorsee, who endorses the person to whom the bill is being transferred, and endorser is the person who is transferring the bill. Okay, so this is the process of endorsement of a bill, and we will get to know this process in details through a sum. So here I have given you one question where y owed rupees 26,000 to x. That means y have to pay rupees 26,000 to x on 5th March 2017. And he accepted a bill for rupees 25,000 for 1 month. So the due date of the bill will be after 5th March, from there 1 month later, and in full settlement of his debt. That means this is whatever is the payment made, that is the final payment. So this is the meaning, and in other way we can also assume that full settlement basically means that discounting. Okay, and x allowed rupees 1000 as discount to y. Now x endorsed the bill immediately on the same day to z, and the bill was made on the due date. So here x becomes endorser and z becomes the endorsee. Okay, so we have to pass the journal entries in the books of X, Y, and Z. So let us see into details that what are the journal entries required for this kind of transaction. So first we have the journal for X. He is the drawer and the endorser at the same time. So first on 5th March, since on the same date bill was accepted and discount was also allowed, so we will write it bills receivable account debit, discount allowed account debit to Y. And here we will not pass any entry for sales because it is not mentioned that it is a credit sales. So we assume that there was no sales, just for other purpose this money was being owed from Y. Okay, so simply on 5th March we'll pass the entry for bill receivable and discount allowed. Then on the same date, since X is endorsing the bill to Z, so on 5th March, Z account debit to BR. Since the bill is being paid, or sorry, not paid, it is endorsed or uh, transferred to Z. So in the books of X, we'll pass this entry of endorsement. So we'll have only these two transaction or these two entries for X, because till the due date X will not retain the bill as he has already endorsed the bill to Z. So on the due date of the bill there will be no entry in the books of the drawer. Okay, because the bill is no more with him and he has already got the money from Z. Okay, now we have the journal of Y, who is the drawee. So on 5th March, X account debit to bills payable to discount receipt, and then on 8th April 2017, that is the due date, because you have to always include the grace period, 3 days of grace. So that is why the due date becomes on 8th April. So on that day, the bills will be paid to the person who carries the bill. So in this case, Z will receive the money. Okay. Now the last will be for the endorsee Z. So in on 5th March, we'll have the entry for bills receivable, that is bills receivable account debit to X, as he's getting the bill, I mean the bill is endorsed to him, and on the due date he will get the money of the bill, that is bank account debit, bank or cash, whatever it is, to bills receivable account. Okay, so this is the whole process of endorsement of a bill or negotiable of a bill by endorsement. So till this much today. If you face any problem, kindly contact me. Thank you, children.